How are you doing? In this video, we're going to dive into the latest video by Alex Becker, where he introduced several cryptocurrencies. Today, we'll focus on these currencies. 1. Solana. The first cryptocurrency he introduced is Solana. It's an obvious choice for many who want a strong portfolio, as it's considered a blue-chip coin. Over the past few days, Solana has seen impressive growth, breaking past the $200 mark. I'll try to provide daily analyses for you on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Solana remains a solid option for a diversified investment portfolio. If it undergoes a correction to around $200, $180, it could be a good buy. Alternatively, you can consider buying at $220, $230 based on recent price breakouts, though that's entirely up to you. You're likely already familiar with Solana and its performance. The only issue I've noticed with Solana, which still occasionally happens, is network outages. However, they've been actively addressing these problems recently. 2. Pepe. Next, he discusses Pepe. Over the past 7 days, Pepe has performed exceptionally well. Considering its ranking, it has the potential to catch up with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu currently ranks 12th, while Pepe ranks 22nd. It's plausible that Pepe could challenge Shiba's $14 billion market cap, especially since it's already at $8 billion. However, Pepe might need to consolidate around the 1843 range, making it a potential buying opportunity if you haven't already invested. We've discussed Pepe extensively in our previous analyses and even included it in our portfolio from the very beginning. 3. Peanut. A newer cryptocurrency gaining attention is Peanut. However, this coin carries higher risks. Alex Becker mentioned it in his video, but keep in mind that Peanut is a high-risk asset. It gained some attention around the US presidential election due to environmental concerns and even received a tweet from Elon Musk. Currently, it's trading around $1.50. If it drops below this level, there could be better buying opportunities at lower prices. Peanut is in its first cycle, unlike Pepe or Waves, which are already in their second or third cycles. This means it could face a deep correction before stabilizing. If it breaks its short-term trend line, it might be a good trading opportunity, but for long-term investments, wait for corrections around $1.50 for a safer entry. 4. Cardano. Alex also talks about Cardano, ADA, saying, "I hate to say this, but Cardano seems to be making moves. It's positioning itself to revisit its previous ATHs." With Charles Hoskinson's growing connections, potentially with figures in Trump's cabinet for crypto regulation, ADA may have significant growth potential. Cardano is a blue-chip crypto, though expectations should be tempered compared to meme coins. Buying opportunities could arise around 50 cents, 60 cents, but wait for a correction before entering. 5. Avalanche AVAX. Alex has always shown a personal preference for Avalanche, likely due to its strong presence in the gaming sector. Avalanche is still undervalued despite breaking $35, $36. We've previously highlighted its potential around $18, $20. For new entries or additions to your portfolio, $25, $30 could be reasonable. Avalanche could hit $32 in the coming days, depending on market corrections. 6. Chainlink, Link. As a blue-chip crypto, Chainlink, Link, remains a strong contender due to its robust tokenomics, having unlocked 62% of its tokens. Chainlink is an essential player among oracles, with competitors like API3 and Band Protocol. Despite its slow pace, it has strong, long-term potential. Entry points around $10, $12 seem reasonable, especially given its past performance. 7. AI cryptocurrencies. He also discusses AI-focused cryptocurrencies like TAO and FET. TAO, a leader in AI. TAO could benefit from NVIDIA's earnings report, which often impacts AI-related assets. Reasonable buy zones are around $300, $320. FET, a solid AI blue chip. FET remains a great option for those seeking exposure in this sector. Render, RNDR. Render has strong competitors like Akash, but is gaining momentum. It could be a promising investment if the market allows corrections around $5.50, $6. Alternatively, buy during pullbacks to $7 or $9. 8. Gaming tokens. Alex also touches on gaming-focused tokens like IMX and Beam. See, IMX. Although facing regulatory scrutiny, it remains a promising project with solid gaming studio partnerships. Potential buy levels are 88 cents or $1.84 if it breaks resistance. Beam, another strong gaming token. Beam has shown steady growth. Pullbacks around $0.022 could offer good entry points. Lastly, he mentions tokens like Super, which have seen promotional spikes. For Super, look for breaks above $2.15 for safer entries, or wait for corrections around $1.04. This video is more about introductions rather than detailed analysis. For in-depth reviews, stay tuned to our channel. RON. Token. RON, also known as Ronin, is somewhat tied to Axie Infinity but operates as an independent gaming blockchain. It's a Layer 2 network for Ethereum specifically designed for gaming, similar to Immutable X. Around 36 to 37% of its total supply has been unlocked, which could present challenges in the future. However, in a high-demand market, such issues tend to have less impact. Looking at the OKX chart, RON has undergone a significant correction but hasn't yet started a recovery. On the weekly time frame, it's holding at a critical linear level of 78%, which may lead to notable movements soon. Keep an eye on it as it hasn't begun its upward momentum, unlike some other assets. Artificial Intelligence Tokens, DeSync. This token hasn't performed well recently, reflecting the overall underwhelming performance of AI tokens. It is available on platforms like MEXC and BingX, but requires decentralized purchases elsewhere. On the MEXC chart, DeSync retested its previous high, and breaking the 3,496 level could confirm an upward trend. Patience is advised before entering. Satya Pal. PAL has experienced significant drama recently, including a sharp drop caused by speculation around migrating to the FET network. The resulting crash ended its bullish trend temporarily. However, with the issue resolved, PAL is positioned for recovery. Watch for a break above the 2496 level, which could signal a return to its upward trajectory. Prime is a dual-purpose token operating in both gaming and AI domains. Currently undervalued, it has the potential for a 240% gain if it breaks above key resistance. For long-term positions, entry points around $5, $6 seem reasonable. 0x0. This AI token is promising but lags behind others. The chart suggests ongoing corrections. It's not recommended to enter during a downward trend. Wait for it to stabilize at lower levels like 78 or 68 before considering a buy. GPU. A competitor to RNDR, GPU has shown good performance over the past month. With a clear trend line, breaking above 70 cents could lead to a bullish move. Its total supply is near its maximum, making it a risky but potentially rewarding investment. While Gaming tokens. Cetify.fund, S-Fund. S-Fund is a long-standing gaming launchpad that remains underappreciated. With its structure intact, $1.15, $1.16 is a favorable buy zone. Myria. A competitor to Immutable X, Myria is significantly undervalued. It has retraced to its main order block but needs to break resistance levels for a confirmed upward trend. Patience is key, as the gaming sector is still lagging. Citus. Citus is another underperforming gaming token. If IMX or other gaming tokens rally, Citus could follow. Regaining the 5,207 level is critical for a bullish trend. Altura. With its max and circulating supply equal, Altura's fundamentals are strong. However, limited availability on platforms like Bing X and MEXC could hinder accessibility. Breaking above 7,381 could initiate a significant bullish move. XBorg. XBorg is available on the Solana network and has a small market cap. It's still in its early stages, so breaking out of its current flag pattern could trigger a strong bullish run. It's worth monitoring closely. Conclusion. The tokens mentioned span gaming, AI, and other sectors. While not all are equally promising, creating a watch list to track them is advisable. Your investments should align with your capital and interest in these emerging sectors. Gaming may not perform as well as in the previous cycle, but AI and meme tokens hold significant potential. Thank you for following along, and I wish you success and profitability.